All right, guys, welcome back. It is July 24th. We are hoping to get to a campsite at South Beach, just south of Kalaloch at the Olympic Peninsula here in Washington State. It's been quite difficult trying to get a campground reservation. So we're gonna test our luck, wake up early tomorrow morning and make our way over to South Beach. So cross fingers, we'll see. Welcome to Tilly and Tacoma. If you're new here, I'm Kim and this is Evan, and we are first-time RVers living in a big city. Have you ever considered getting into the RV lifestyle and don't know where to start? Well, you came to the right place, because for the past year, we've proven that you don't need several years of experience or even the space to get started RVing. We post content every Sunday to share stories, advice, and tips to help you get on the road and have a few laughs along the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so we can make Tilly and Tacoma the best first-time RVer community on YouTube.
We're headed to Olympic National Park, and we've never been there before. We're about 2 hours away, and we have no reservations for any of the campgrounds because you have to be extremely lucky or, I don't know, I guess know a
Way
park
ahead of hand.
ranger literally by blood, because there's no way you're getting into the
Impossible.
campground. So there is one campground that is first come first serve, which is South Beach Campground, and there's 55 sites. And it's a Thursday morning, and we're almost at 9 a.m., so we're hopeful that we're gonna snag a site. If we do, it will be very, very lucky. So we will catch up with y'all there.
Wish us luck.
Over and out.
After a bit of research, we quickly found out that it's nearly impossible to find reservations during peak season here in the Pacific Northwest, mainly because people book months ahead. To reserve a site, you'll want to make your way to the recreation.gov website. Here you'll find the different campsites that are available. For certain campgrounds, they release sites in blocks, where you can book 6 months ahead, 2 weeks ahead, and your last shot, which is 4 days ahead of time. Both Evan and I attempted to book the Kalaloch campground 4 days ahead and didn't get it. It's probably the most frustrating thing, especially when you're eager to be outdoors and camp. Not to mention that they release these sites at 7 a.m. Pacific time, so not only did we wake up early, we also didn't get our campsite. Talk about a double whammy. So we opted for a first come, first served campground, and there are plenty of them. Since we left early in the day, we had a few as backup options in case we didn't get lucky with our first choice, including Ozette and Queets Campground.
Alrighty, we are 2 minutes away from South Beach Campground and we're just entering Olympic National Park.
Fingers
Yes.
crossed.
Fingers crossed.
It's either gonna be a great trip or it's gonna end real soon to be here.
Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, flip it over and see. Register at the bulletin board. Let's take a look. Let's see what this is all about.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
Cross fingers.
Basecamp.
Oh, amazing. Oh, there's one spot right there. Oh no, is that red? Where's the... Well, this is wonderful news. Right, honey? We managed to get to South Beach Campground and nabbed a spot. Let's just take a quick peek. Evan's talking to another base camper out there. But we literally lucked out. I just spoke to the camp hosts. They said you must occupy your space first and then fill out one of these forms. Pay with the QR code, and then, yeah, we got it.
So key takeaways when booking during peak season here in the Pacific Northwest is to book early, try your shot at a first come, first served campground, and have multiple backups. And if all else fails, just make your way back home. Lucky for us, we didn't have to.
Alright guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the campground. You can see here, this is what the campground looks like. We are currently in spot 8, which is kind of a little bit elevated. So you can see there's kind of like 2 rows. Anyways, that's what the campground looks like. And then this is where you check in. You basically have to find your spot, look for what's empty, park there, anything, leave any kind of belongings in there, and then pick up one of these slips, fill it out, pay, and then slip it in here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots that are still available. We are here on a Thursday, kind of middle of the week. We got here at around like 11:30 or so. So yeah, it's pretty neat. I think Evan did the right thing and told us to get to the trailer so that we can find a spot here in South Beach. And look who we have here. Speak of the devil.
Yeah, I'd like to say that I am 100% right all the time, and yeah, I told Kim that we were going to get a site. I spoke it into existence. I manifested this site, manifested the sounds, the waves, and it's literally a dream. So that's definitely the camping gods are working in our favor. Again, we did try to book campgrounds to the national park, but it is insanely busy and you cannot get in. So we just said, screw it. So we took the camper and we just entered the national park. And this one is first come, first served. So, honey, we have been served. So first come, first served, here we are.
We love to hear from our viewers, so if you have any other tips, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like our content, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye!